Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to open a bank account in Argentina. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open any browser and search commercial banks in Argentina. A list of different banks will appear. Select a bank. I will choose ABN AMRO Bank. Copy the bank name and paste it in a new tab. Click on this link, ABN AMRO Bank. Its website will open. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Personal Banking option in the navigation menu. On the next page, scroll down and click on the option Open a bank account. Scroll down and you will see different options for selecting that for whom you want to open the bank account. Click on Myself if you want to open the account for yourself. On the next page, scroll down and you will see steps on how to open a current account. So the first step is to download the app, for which there are some conditions that you should be 18 plus and should have an official home address in the Netherlands. After that, you have to submit your proof of identity, in which you have to provide clear pictures of your identification documents. The next step is to take a picture of yourself. Then you will be asked some questions and you have to answer them. Then finally confirm your application, which will be reviewed by them. The final step is to upload your proof of residence to verify that you are a resident of Netherlands. And this is how you can open a bank account in Argentina.